Hello, my dear friend. Do you want to learn this text floating animation in PowerPoint? So let's get started. We can see an empty presentation right now. So firstly, we will make the layout to the blank layout and take a text box first and write, and this will the main text we will use here. So firstly, we will keep the text color to the white and format background to the black, and take the shape color to the white, shape fill to the no fill. You can see the text color here right now, and from the home panel we'll add our desired font, this font, and font size should be this, and all the text will be in uppercase. You can see the text is here so much big, so let's make it full white text as we want. Okay, this is the desired text box we need. So we'll keep this text box right side of this canvas. Okay, and we'll make a copy of this pressing Ctrl and D. And this text box should not have any fill in it, so text fill should be no fill and text outline should be white. Just make them little up. Yeah, our blank canvas is ready, and just add the video in the background. This video should be fine, and inside it is downloading. Yeah, it is already set here. Now we will apply the text animation here. Let's come to the animation segment and click on the add animation. Come to the line animation here, and from the animation pane will effect option will change, make it left to right. Okay, so our focus should be in the red arrow from here, and click on the red arrow and drag it to the left until we are satisfied. So all the text boxes are outside of the video right now. Okay, and give this an animation like with previous option, and should be 25 seconds. Also, let's copy this animation to the second one. So use the format painter tool and paste it here. We'll use a slight delay in this second text box, about 1 second, and we will keep it like from the animation pane. We will tweak some animation from here. Coming to the effect option, we'll make it both 0, and timing should be until the next click, and okay. We'll keep the video in the background of this. So I think our text box is in the back right now. Make the video send to back. Let's play now with the preview. Yeah, it's working. So make the text box little up to balance the visual. Yeah, it is coming perfectly. Here I will add little up in this case. Yeah, it is now perfect. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed this video very well. See you in the next tutorial.